Abanyabaragiro abajwekera orubaju orukababirwa bareta obujuruzi bwa mushanju omu rubanju oru Ambayo Richard omushaho wa polisi nikwo orubaju oruhababi okumutahaninga ngu ashoborere ruponta eyakozirwe aha mutumbi gwa Henry Katanga.
And my lord, the question we are having that we would like court to clarify for us, are these exhibits? What are they?
Orubanju oru ruri omu kuhurikirizibwa omu High Court omu Kampala erikujunana emishango emihango erimu ey'obwitsi kandi banyakubuuza omushaho baba barimu Elson Karuhanga na Macdasman Kabega.
The ones which are page
My lord, I need to be guided.
I'm guiding you. I'm talking about asking
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the swab on page 4.
I account for the swabs that I've taken and documented.
Those are the swabs you have taken.
Yes.
Abahona babuza Richard yaba namanya muhara wa Henry Katanga orukumanya nka Martha Kakwa oyagira ngu namanya kurungi ahabwokuba niwe yaborekire omutumbi gwishe. Ona cyashangwa na ruponta eyakozirwe aha mutumbi gwa Katanga ekaba erimu ebifumuka byingi bwanyuma yo kushanga ngu ekaba etariho n'amazina g'omushaho owagukebire n'owaragire ngu gukeberwe n'ekika ky'emotoka ekyaguretsire omu site mortuary Mulago tikiri kwetegerezibwa. Hona cyashangwa ngu ekironda cy'isasi eryayisire Henry Katanga nikyoreka ngu isasi rikaruga aha mukono ogwa buryo gutari gwa bumosho nko ku ruponta ya Dr. Ambayo Richard erikworeka.
The other parts of the body, the neck, all the neck structures were intact. There are no injuries there. My lord, the trachea and esophagus were clear and intact.
Bamwemesereza kuba niwe yahire abanyamukuru abarukorera ha internet n'abishe rukare amakuru g'embushukane. Koti omuramuzi yajongezayo okuhika ebiro 27 by'okwezi oku. Gashakwa Jimmy Muhumuza.